This 2026 Grand Design Transcend 285 RKT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 2, Awning, LP Detector, Stovetop Burner, Carbon Monoxide Detector, Water Heater, Smoke Detector, Leveling Jacks, Slideout, Air Conditioning, Refrigerator, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend 285 RKT is 7,166 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.